You open up your Facebook Ads Manager and you saw this error, unable to create draft. And then when you open up more Ads Manager, but it just won't open up, okay? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue. Now, without further ado, let's jump to my computer and let me show you how you can solve this Facebook Ads Manager issue. Let's go. Oh my goodness. You open up your Ads Manager and it shows some error, unable to create draft invalid request, and you don't know what to do. If you're using Google Chrome, this is what you can do. So you go to top left, you can see there's, I don't know what icon is this. Click on it, and then you can see cookies and site data. Click on it. Click on manage on device site data. Click on it. And then you just need to delete the cookies. Delete, delete, done. Right, then you reload. Alright, so this is what happened is that you need to delete the cookies for your Facebook and then you need to log in again. So this is common thing that happen from time to time. So all you need to do is just delete your cookies and then you'll be able to go in again. Let me just log in and let me show you that it's okay. So right, so after I delete the cookies for Facebook and I log in again, and now everything is okay. So again, all you need to do is just delete your cookies for Facebook and then log in again, then everything will be fine. Alright, I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you and I see you next time. Goodbye.